वेलकम टू गुरुवरिया एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम आपके फोर्थ यूनिट में से थर्ड चैप्टर इंटेलेक्चुअल रविश इसका जो वर्कशॉप है वो देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशंस आर अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ नाउन प्रीसीडेड बाय अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स। हमें यहाँ पे कुछ कॉम्बिनेशंस दिए गए हैं जो कि नाउन एंड डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स के हैं। सो वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट और वी हैव टू write about it. Okay, so we will first see which are they. First, fatal mistake. Second, foreign customs. Third, unbaptizing diet. Fourth, plentiful supply. Next, simple device. Savage controversy. Modern technique and foolish custom. Now what we have to do? See here. Replace the describing words with as many others as you can that go with the underlined nouns. तो आपको क्या करना है, जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स है उन्हें रिप्लेस करके आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, वन इज गिवन टू अस silly mistake, so we have to change the word silly. Okay, like grave mistake, careless mistake, obvious mistake. Now we will see about the other examples. Next is foreign customs. Now we will change the describing words like religious customs, primitive customs, peculiar customs, oriental customs, etc. Next, unbaptizing diet. इसका डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हम चेंज करने वाले हैं, लाइक हेल्दी डाइट, वेजिटेरियन डाइट, बैलेंस डाइट, पुअर डाइट, नॉर्मल डाइट, सुटेबल डाइट, एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट इज प्लेंटिफुल सप्लाई, दैट इज मेडिसिनल सप्लाई, शॉर्ट सप्लाई, कांस्टेंट सप्लाई, इसेंशियल सप्लाईज, एक्स्ट्रा सप्लाई, एक्सेट्रा. आफ्टरवर्ड्स सिंपल डिवाइस. अभी इस यहाँ पे हम इसके भी जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स है वो चेंज करने वाले हैं, लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस, स्मार्ट डिवाइस, टेक्निकल डिवाइस, वायरलेस डिवाइस, सिंगल डिवाइस, एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट इज सेवेज कंट्रोवर्सी, लाइक रिलीजियस कंट्रोवर्सी, फेमस कंट्रोवर्सी, मेजर कंट्रोवर्सी, लीगल कंट्रोवर्सी, एक्सेट्रा. आफ्टरवर्ड्स मॉडर्न टेक्निक. इस यहाँ पे हम अलग डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे, लाइक एडवांस टेक्निक, नोवेल टेक्निक, प्रॉपर टेक्निक, ट्रेडिशनल टेक्निक, एक्सेट्रा. And last will be foolish custom. And now see the another different kinds of describing words like traditional custom, ancient custom, strange custom, universal custom, etc. We complete the first question. Now move towards the question number second. Now see what does it says. Question second. Use the following items or expressions in sentences of your own. तो यहाँ पे हमें कुछ आइटम्स दी गए हैं एंड उन्हें क्या करना है, उन्हें हमारे खुद के एक्सप्रेशंस में हमें यूज करना है. फर्स्ट इज टू बी प्रॉन टू एंड द एक्सप्रेशन और द सेंटेंस इज ही इज प्रॉन टू लूज हिज टेम्पर व्हेन पीपल डिसएग्री विद हिम. सेकंड, टू हैव अ डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन. सेंटेंस, वी हैव अ डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, टू गो बियॉन्ड दिस कन्वर्सेशन must not go beyond inner walls. Next one, to have a beneficial effect. This habit has a beneficial effect on our health. And next one, to have a bias. He had a biased attitude towards the poor people. Next one, to undo. He wanted to undo what he had done. Next expression is to be wary of. He should teach children to be wary of strangers. And last one, under the influence. The satellite came under the influence of planet's gravitational pull. Here we complete the second question too. Now move towards the question number third, and question third is same for her. हमें बताना है क्यों. First, one should avoid getting angry about a difference of opinion. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर, one should avoid getting angry about a difference of opinion because it shows that one is subconsciously aware of having no good reasons for one's thinking. We should try to understand the thinking of that person. Different people have different opinions on a subject and they think they are right in their perspective. Second one, the writer found his stay abroad very profitable. तो राइटर को अब्रॉड में स्टे करना प्रॉफिटेबल क्यों हुआ? आंसर, The writer found his stay abroad very profitable because it diminished the intensity of insular prejudice means he became less dogmatic. Next one, the writer grew less dogmatic and more open-minded. तो जो हमारे राइटर थे वो डॉगमेटिक कम हुए एंड ओपन माइंडेड ज्यादा हुए, तो इसके पीछे का रीजन क्या था? आंसर, द राइटर ग्रू less dogmatic and more open-minded because he lived much outside from his own country, means he traveled and he got to see many different opinions held in this social circle. Next question, that is men declaring that they are sons write letters to the writer. Answer, men declaring that they are sons write letters to the writer because they want that the writer should mention the fact in his lectures that they are God. Next and the last question, that is the writer claims that all false beliefs need not to be replaced by cold science. Answer, the writer claims that all the false beliefs need not to be replaced by cold science because the world perhaps would lose some of its interest and variety. Here we complete the third question too. Now move towards the question number 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्या कहता है? देखिए, मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ योर ओन टू शो द डिफरेंस ऑफ यूजेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग होमोफोन्स. तो यहाँ पे हमें कुछ होमोफोन्स दिए गए हैं. नाउ व्हाट डज मीन बाय होमोफोन्स? तो ये जो होमोफोन्स है उनके प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑलमोस्ट सेम होते हैं, लेकिन उसके जो स्पेलिंग्स है उनमें 19-20 का फर्क होता है. ओके, तो उसे हम होमोफोन्स कहते हैं. So first is device. Here it is used as noun. It is a simple device to use. Second, device means it is a verb here. We need to devise new solutions to old problems. Next, advice. Here it is used as noun. She gave me a great advice. After that, advise. Here it is used as verb. I advise her to study for the exam. Next is practice. It is used in this sentence as noun, like practice makes man perfect, and practice it is used as verb. That is, she practiced as a doctor for 10 years. And here we complete the fourth question to now move towards the question number 5. अब ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है वो जनरल अवेयरनेस के लिए, आप ही के लिए नहीं बल्कि सभी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. टू अंडरस्टैंड द डेप्थ ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लेट्स सी, व्हेन अ फैमिली मेंबर इज very ill for long, the grandmother of a family urges everyone to send for a person who claims he can cure victims of black magic. Compose a dialogue with her in which her granddaughter politely convinces her that she should not believe in such things. अभी हर किसी के घर में ग्रैंडमदर होती है, राइट? ग्रैनी होती है सबकी. अगर घर में कोई भी फैमिली मेंबर को वो इल हो जाए, मतलब उसे बुखार आ जाए, उसे उसकी तबीयत अचानक से बिगड़ जाए, तो हमारी जो ग्रैनी है वो क्या कहती है कि हमें एक ऐसे पर्सन के पास जाना चाहिए जो ब्लेम करता है, जो क्लेम करता है कि वो उसके ब्लैक मैजिक से हमारी हेल्थ को क्योर करेगा, राइट? तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक कन्वर्सेशन तैयार करना है ग्रैनी और उसके ग्रैंड डॉटर के बीच में, जो कि ग्रैनी को बहुत पोलाइटली एक्सप्लेन करती है कि ये सब चीजें सुपरस्टिशियस रहती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. नाउ वी विल क्रिएट द कन्वर्सेशन. ओके, लेट्स से. आंसर, Rani's grandmother and she are talking about her brother Rohan's health. Grandmother, what are you doing? Or he is not getting well. Okay, you have to call the tantrik or it may be late. Rani, what are you talking, Rani? Grandmother, Rani, I am talking about Rohan's health and it is worsening day by day. I think he can only be cured by that tantrik who is really powerful and has cured many people. Rani, no Granny. He is not doctor but a cheater who shows people some magic and befools them. The doctor will definitely cure Rohan, trust me. Grandmother, the doctors have been treating him for last 15 days but could not diagnose him. I am sure that Rohan has a different kind of illness which can be treated only by him. Rani, no Granny, the diagnosis has not been completed. Tomorrow, they are going to do CT scan of him to check what the reason of his illness. We should wait and need not to do hurry. We cannot trust on that tantric because he does not know much about humans' illness. He just gives every patient some ash to consume. Many people have been died due to his wrong treatment. The police is collecting evidence to under arrest him. Grandmother, oh, that is horrible thing. Thank you, Rani, for telling me, Rani. Don't say thank you, Granny. I can understand your feelings for us. And in this way, you can make different kind of conversation between granddaughter and grandmother about these types of subjects. Okay? Here we complete the fifth question. Now move towards the next question, that is question number 6. Now question number 6 is list the various ways of avoiding error mentioned in the passage. तो पैसेज में जो एरर्स मेंशन की गए हैं उन्हें अवॉइड करने के लिए हमें कुछ वेरियस वे थिंक करना पड़ेगा एंड उसे यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. आंसर द वेरियस वेज ऑफ अवॉइडिंग एरर मेंशन्ड इन द पैसेज आर फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट, if the matter is one that can be settled by observation, make the observation yourself. Second, if an opinion contrary to your own makes you angry, that is a sign that you are subconsciously aware of having no good reason for thinking as you do. Next one, whenever you find yourself getting angry about a difference of opinion, be on your guard. You will probably find on examination that your belief is going beyond what the evidence warrants. Next one, a good way of ridding yourself of certain kinds of dogmatism is to become aware of opinions held in social circles different from your own. Next one, traveling is very profitable in diminishing the intensity for those who have enough psychological imagination in secular prejudice. Afterwards, good plan to imagine an argument with a person having a different bias. It makes us less dogmatic and cocksure through realizing the possible reasonableness of a hypothetical opponent. Next, be very wary of opinions that flatter your self-esteem. Afterwards, to deal with this general human concept, two is to remind ourselves that man is a brief episode in the life of a small planet in a little corner of the universe, and the other parts of the cosmos may contain beings as superior to us. Next and the last one, fear is perhaps the most important common source of error. There are two ways of avoiding fear. EMR, that one of the persuading ourselves that we are immune from disaster, and the other is by practice of sheer courage. And in this way we have completed the sixth question. Now move towards the question number 7. Now let's see the question number 7. Answer the following questions. नीचे दिए गए सवालों के जवाब हमें लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट, if an opinion contrary to your own makes you angry, what does it indicate? अगर किसी पर्सन का ओपिनियन आपको एंग्री करता है तो यह किस ओर इंडिकेट करता है, किस दिशा की ओर इंडिकेट करता है? आंसर, इट इंडिकेट्स दैट वी आर controversies. It indicates that we are subconsciously aware of having no good reason for thinking as we do. Next one, what are the most savage controversies about? Answer, the most savage controversies are those about matters as to which there is no good evidence either way. Next one, what are the benefits of travel? Travel के benefits क्या क्या होते हैं? Answer, the benefits of travel are following. First, it is a good way of ridding oneself of certain kind of dogmatism. Second, it makes one aware of opinion held in social circles different from his own. And next, it is profitable in diminishing the intensity of insular prejudices. Afterwards, next, is the influence of foraging customs always beneficial? Answer, no, the influence of the foraging custom is not always beneficial. Next one, what are the advantages of an imaginary argument with a person having a different bias? Answer, the advantages of imaginary argument with a person having different bias are following. First, the method is not subject to the same limitations of time and the space, and Second one can find oneself growing less dogmatic and cocksure through realizing the possible resemblance of hypothetical opponent. Afterwards, next, why should one be wary of opinions that flatter one's self-esteem? Answer: one should be very wary of opinions that flatter one's self-esteem because both men and women, 9 times out of 10, are firmly convinced of the superior excellence of their own sex. They don't find their deficiencies but their self-esteem concerns these from them. It is more difficult to deal with the self-esteem of man as man because we cannot argue out of the matter with this some non-human mind. Next question: how does fear lead us to error? Answer: fear sometimes operates directly by inventing rumors of disaster in wartime or by imagining objects of terror such as ghosts. Sometimes it operates indirectly by creating belief in something comforting, such as their exterior of life or heaven for ourselves and hell for our enemies. Fear is the main source of superstitions and one of the main sources of cruelty. Next one, what are the two ways of avoiding fear? Fear को avoid करने के two ways कौन से हैं? Answer: the two ways of avoiding fear are following. One is by persuading ourselves that we are an immune from disaster, and other is by practice of sheer courage. Here we complete the 7th question. Now move towards the next question, that is question number 8. What is the meaning of intellectual rubbish? Intellectual rubbish का मतलब क्या है? Answer: the title intellectual rubbish is a contradictory phrase. It explains us that people follow superstitions and false beliefs by considering them that they are right, but these ideas lead them to suffer. People having baseless opinions think they are intellectual, but in reality, they have rubbish things. So the writer tries to aware people about their logical opinions and gives the solution to stay away from them. Here we complete the 8th question to now move towards the 9th question, which is of antonyms, means opposite words. Find the opposites of the following. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ words दिए गए हैं और उनके जो opposites है वो हमें ढूंढने हैं. Okay? First is cautions. Opposite word: reckless, careless, dogmatic, open-minded, contrary, sane, savage, civilized, beneficial, disadvantageous, reasonable, unreasonable, hypothetical, real, cruelty, mercy, immune, unguided. Here we complete the 9th question too. Now move towards the last question from the workshop, that is question number 10. And it is a very important concern according to our thinking of equality of girls and boys. Okay, so let's see the question. Write an imaginary dialogue contesting opposite views on a topic of your own choice. For example, girls should lead to or do all the household work and not boys. Answer: two women are discussing on girls should learn to do all the household work and not boys. Ravina: hey Karina, why are you looking so sad? Karina: hi Ravina, actually I am worried about my daughter Kavya. Ravina: but why? She is a really talented girl. What has happened to her? Karina: she is clever in her studies, but I want that she should learn all the household works. But whenever I talk with her about it, she refuses to listen. Ravina: you should not take tension about it because she is not the type of girl who is irresponsible. Karina: when she will understand its importance, she will start to do them. Ravina: till now, let her enjoy her childhood. Karina: yeah, that's true, but you know the society and the rules of it. A girl must know all household chores or she will not get married. She doesn't like to do them and she wants to be a great officer. That's why I am worried. Ravina: oh dear, you are unnecessarily taking tension. Now the situation is changing and the awareness about girls' education among people is increasing. So don't worry about the future of her married life. Everything will be fine. Karina: but this household work is only be done by girls, not by boys. so she must be learn it. Ravina, you are thinking about girls. It's so nice. Now, many men want their wives should do job, and these men are doing all these works to support their wives. Karina, yes, you are right. I was thinking wrong. I should let my daughter follow her dream. Ravina, now you have understand it. Don't take so much tension about your daughter and let her follow her dream. Karina, sure. And thank you for supporting me. Ravina, you are always welcome. And in this way, we have discussed this workshop very briefly. तो इस वर्कशॉप में हमें सोसाइटी में जो उभरते क्वेश्चन है लाइक सुपरस्टिशन है, जेंडर इक्वालिटी का क्वेश्चन है, इनके बारे में हमने इस वर्कशॉप में देखा है। आप इसके अलावा आपके जो ओपिनियंस है वो भी इस आंसर में लिख सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो वर्कशॉप है वो खत्म होता है। आशा करती हूँ आपको ये वर्कशॉप समझ में आया होगा। अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो, परेशानी हो तो कमेंट कीजिए। तो इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिखने वाले बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए, वहाँ पे ऑल कीजिए ताकि वीडियो के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। तो इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरुवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारे ये एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए। ये एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद कर सके। तो दोस्तों, इस एप्लीकेशन में आपको रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, लाइव लेक्चर्स, उसी के साथ साथ चैप्टर्स से रिलेटेड नोट्स, असाइनमेंट, टेस्ट, ये सभी चीजें मिलेंगी। तो पढ़ाई के लिए इस एप्लीकेशन का ज्यादा से ज्यादा उपयोग कीजिएगा। इसी तरह से इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन दिया है जिसके भीतर आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको किसी भी प्रकार की एजुकेशनल हेल्प चाहिए तो उसके लिए आप हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको मदद कर सके। तो आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पर रुकेंगे। जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ, नए सेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।